Hello, Monty. Who's that?
Catch up on the final episodes of Mad Men now at amc.com and on demand.
Who's that? Oh, look at that birdie. Give me a kiss.
Got more food on your shirt
Yes.
than we did in your room.
Yes. Oh, nice. You kissed the other birdie in the camera? Look at that. Who's that, Monty?
Huh? Splash mommy. I like to splash mommy.
Who's that? Who's that? Monty. Who's that baby? Who's that baby in the camera? Who's that? Is it you? Oh no, that's a handsome birdie. Uh-oh, that's a handsome birdie. Yes. 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 Kissy, kissy. Kissy, kissy.
You're all right. You're all right. You're all right. All right, you're all safe now, okay?
Who's that birdie in the camera?
Sit down, relax, huh?
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? It's so cute. It's so cute.
Yeah, Dana's just come over to my place. Well,
Kissy,
actually,
kissy?
Her son tried to eat her. What?
No?
Are you serious? Oh, that's great. Well, I mean, that's terrible. But it's great for what we would